ठीक है, देखूंगा प्रेजेंटेशन.
Okay, fine. Good morning, all of you. A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. Now,
morning, ma'am.
today the children of class 3E and class 3D will tell about the aim in life. आज 3E और 3D के बच्चे अपने अपने एम के बारे में बताएंगे. What they want to become when they grow up. वो लोग बड़े होकर क्या बनना चाहते हैं. Okay, fine? Isn't it? Yes. Now, let's. Yes. Who wants to perform first? Jigyan, are you ready? Jigyan, ready hai? Okay, Jigyan is not there. Parth, are you there? Parth, are you ready to perform, beta? आप परफॉर्म करने के लिए रेडी हैं? पार्थ?
Yes, ma'am. The police one.
पार्थ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start performing बेटा. खड़े हो जाओ, stand up. खड़े हो जाओ, first stand up. Yes, start your speech बेटा.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes,
I'm
good
Partha
morning.
Kore from class 3D, roll number 10. Here I'm going to talk about my aim in life. My aim in life is to become a pilot. An aircraft pilot is a person who controls the flight of an aircraft by operating its directional flight controls. He is regarded as the most important experts in the aviation sector.
Okay, good, very nice beta, very good. Sit down beta, nice, good. Now next, who is there? Nishu. Yes, Aruhi, start beta. Aruhi, start beta. Others, wait beta, Aruhi, wait Aruhi. Others, mute your mic. बाकी लोग अपना mic mute करो बेटा. Let me hear Aruhi. Yes, Aruhi, start बेटा. Aruhi, start करो बेटा.
बैठो.
Very good Arohi, nice, thank you beta, thank you, sit down. Next Kavya. Yes, start beta.
Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to represent the occupation that I want to become. Every person has an aim in life. An aimless man is like an animal. officer. When I will become IS officer, I will open a free committee for those children whose parents are not able to send them to school or colleges. IS officer is a noble profession by which I can do the right path of education for the children. I would do something for the freedom of our ladies, women, and safety of the baby girls. I am learning good qualities of a good IS officer. I am trying to do the best to be a IS officer. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good, very nice, beta, very nice. Thank you, Kavya. Next, Rajiv Ranjan. Rajiv Ranjan, are you there, beta? Rajiv Ranjan. Rajiv Ranjan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start, beta. Chalo.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning
Stand,
to
beta, first
every.
stand up, stand up. खड़े हो जाओ, खड़े हो जाओ. Yes.
Good morning to everyone. I am tell today to my aim in life. Every person has an aim in life. An aimless and man is like an animal. Teacher is a noble profession. Teacher is a noble profession. It is only the profession by which I can show the right path to the children of our country. By giving them right education, I would help the children and provide. I would help the children to fulfill their dreams. I would provide free education to poor children of my neighborhood. To become a teacher, I am trying to learn all the good qualities of a good teacher. Teacher gets very low salary, but my aim is not to earn money. Thank you to everyone.
Thank you, beta, Rajiv Ranjan. Next, Ananya. Ananya is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start, beta. Carry on.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ananya Ranjan. I am studying in class 3D, roll number 42, admission number 23531. My aim in the life to become IS officer. Having an aim in life is helpful in many ways. I gives us a sense of direction. Young students have dreams of become a doctor, engineer, scientist. But I have always wanted to become an IS officer, help the people. As you all know, completing IS is very difficult. So even from now, I am putting my course study well. I am moved by my parents a lot. One should have a thought knowledge of world events, current affairs. I read newspaper daily. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Namaste.
Very good. Good, Ananya, but you must learn it, beta, okay? But it was nice. It was nice, beta, and try to learn this, okay? Next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, Jigyan, Abhinandan. 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 Yes, who is there? Who has raised your hand? Start, बेटा. हाथ किसने उठाया है? चलिए बोलिए. बोलिए. Yes, Anshiraj. 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 Nishu. Anshiraj, yes, start, बेटा. Start. निशु बोलो बेटा बोलो. स्टैंड अप, फर्स्ट स्टैंड अप. पहले खड़ी हो जाओ. खड़ी हो जाओ. फर्स्ट स्टैंड अप बेटा. अंशु, निशु, आई कांट हियर यू बेटा, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है। निशु, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है बेटा। निशु, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है। निशु, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है बेटा। खड़े होकर बोलिए, खड़े, स्टैंड अप फर्स्ट बेटा। स्टैंड। यस
मैम आवाज आ रही है।
चलो चलो निशु, स्टार्ट बेटा, स्टार्ट करो निशु। निशु, स्टार्ट करो बेटा।
It is only the profession by which I
राइट फ्रॉम
can
द
show
बिगिनिंग,
right
शुरू से बेटा,
path to
शुरू से बोलो। चलो।
Okay, ma'am. Every person has aim in life. An aimless man is like an animal. My aim in life is to become a teacher, and teaching is a noble profession. It is the only profession by which I can show right path to the children. Children are the future of our country. By giving right education, I would provide free education to the poor children of my neighborhood. This way I can serve the nation. To become a teacher, I am learning all the qualities of a good teacher. A teacher gets very low salary, but my aim is not to earn money, but I am trying my best to achieve my aim of life. Thank you, ma'am.
Good निशु, sit down. Next, अंशराज, जिज्ञान, अंशराज, यस, स्टार्ट बेटा, चलो बोलो। जिज्ञान। स्टैंड अप फर्स्ट, स्टैंड अप, खड़े हो जाओ बेटा, खड़े हो जाओ। स्टैंड अप।
Teacher.
Yes, now carry on, बोलो।
Every person has an aim in life. An aimless person is like an animal. My aim in my life is to become a teacher. Teaching is a noble profession. It is the only profession by which I am shown right path to the children of our country. Children are the future of our country. By giving right education, I would help the children fulfill their dreams. I would provide free education to the poor children at my neighborhood. This way, I can serve the nation. To become a teacher, I am learning all the qualities of a good teacher. Teacher gets very low salary, but my aim is not to earn money. I am trying my best to achieve my aim of life. Thank you.
Good जिज्ञान, sit down. Yes, next अंशराज।
Every person is aim in life.
यस, वीडियो ऑन करो बेटा। अंशराज, वीडियो ऑन करो अपना। Ansh, sit down beta. Next. Anshika, Urvi, Kirti. Anshika, Urvi, Kirti. Amrita Raj. Yes, Kirti. Start.
Yes, ma'am.
Start beta. Stand up.
My favorite
Stand up first.
teacher
Stand
is
properly.
Startup, who taught me how to sign. My favorite teacher is Ranjita ma'am. She teaches us English. He also teaches us good habits
Beta,
and
beta,
moral
listen.
values.
You haven't to say about me. You have to say about your aim in life. आप बड़े होकर क्या बनना चाहते हैं ये बताना है, मेरे बारे में नहीं बोलना है बेटा. Okay. Next. Abhinandan. Yes, Pihu. Urvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start beta. Yes, Urvi.
My aim in life is become to an air hostess because an air hostess is a young lady environmental in aircraft. She looks to neat and comfortable of the passenger traveling by air. She is good looking, dressing herself neatly and in variety language like English, French, German, and other formal languages. Thank you.
Good, Urvi. Learn properly. Nice. Thank you, beta. Next, Amrita Raj. Yes, Amrita Raj. Avinash Pandey. Ankit, Apratim, Ashi. Anshika, yes, Anshika, carry on beta. Yes, Anshika, बोलो बेटा.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to tell about my aim in life. My aim in life is to become a teacher. Teaching is a noble profession. It is the only profession by which I can show right path to the children of our country. Children is the future of our country. By giving right education, I would help the children to fulfill their dreams. I would provide free education to the poor children of my neighborhood. This way I can serve to the nation. To become a teacher, I am learning all the qualities of a good teacher. The teacher gets very low salary, but my aim is not to earn money. I am trying my best to achieve my aim in life. Thank you.
Thank you, beta. Thank you. Good. It was nice. Yes, next, Anshika, Amrita Raj. Yes, Anshika, Amrita Raj.
मैं भी बोलूंगी.
Yes, Ashi. बोलो बेटा.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, friends. I want to become a English teacher because a teacher is an important person in
Okay, nice. Ashi, learn properly, beta. Sit down. Learn nicely. Learn nicely. Sit down. Amrita Raj, Anshika. Amrita Raj, Anshika. Are you all there? Anshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Carry on. Start. Start karo, beta. Acha, Anshika, you have said. Okay, nice. Next. Yes, Abhinandan. Abhinandan, start, beta. Abhinandan, bolo, beta. Abhinandan.
Every person has an aim in life. An aimless person is like animal. My aim in life is to become a teacher. Teaching is a noble profession. It is the only profession by which I can show right path to children. Children of our country. Children are the future of country. By giving right education, I would help them to fulfill their dreams. I would provide free education to the poor children of my neighborhood. To become a teacher, I am learning all the qualities of a good teacher. A teacher gets very low salary, but my aim is to earn money. I am trying to my best to achieve my aim in life.
Okay, nice. Sit down. Sit down, Abhinandan. Good, beta. Yes, Stuti. Stuti.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start, beta.
Good morning, respected teacher and dear friends. My name is Tuti Sharma from class 3A, roll number 18, admission number 23593. My aim is to become a IS officer. IS officer's exam is UPSC, full from is Union Public Service Communication.
Commissioner.
It gives
Commission, beta,
jobs
not
like
communication.
IAS
It commission.
officer,
Yes.
Okay. Commission. It gives jobs like IS officer, IPS, IFS, IRS, etc. IS full from is Indian Admin Administrative Services. It gives possible like SDO, SDM, and later on DM and communication owner. There are 3 stages to clear our prelims, mains, and interview. It main work admin is trade, cities and tolls. Main book is NCRT. Thank you.
Okay, good. Kirti, sit down. Nice. Sorry, Stuti, sit down. Nice. Nice. Yes, next. Mayank.
Ma'am, can I?
Mayank Apratim. Mayank Apratim.
Ma'am, can I?
Jivesh.
Ma'am, can I?
Jivesh.
Kumari.
Jivesh. Kritagya. Jivesh Kritagya. Yes, very good. Very good, beta. Yes, start. Nice. Bolo.
Ma'am, can I say my name is Jivesh
Stand up, beta. Stand up. खड़े हो जाओ.
Kumar.
Yes, good. Very nice.
My name is Jivesh Kumar. My roll number 15. My admission number 22588. Policeman. Policeman is a government employee.
नेक्स्ट मयंक, मयंक, कृतज्ञ,
Ma'am, can I?
यस से बोलो, यस कीर्ति,
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, my dear friends and ma'am. I am a Kriti. My class 3D, my admission number 22645. My aim in a life. Every person has an aim in a life. An aim less man is like an animal. My aim in life is to become a teacher. Teaching is a medal. Profession.
नोबल
It
प्रोफेशन,
is the
नोबल
only
प्रोफेशन,
profession.
नोबल
Normal
प्रोफेशन,
profession.
नोबल प्रोफेशन,
Novel profession by which I can show right path to the children of our country. Children are the future of our country. By giving right education, free education to poor children of my neighborhood. This way I can serve the national. To become a teacher, I am learning all the qualities of a good teacher. A teacher gets a very low. I am trying my best to achieve my aim of
अचीव,
life.
अचीव,
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you, ma'am.
गुड, सिट डाउन। नेक्स्ट मयंक,
Ma'am,
मयंक,
can I?
यस यस बेटा,
Ma'am, can
यस
I?
यस 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 बेटा,
Every person has an in the life. My aim is become a teacher is a good profession. A teacher has I teach poor children by teaching is a good profession. I am trying to become a teacher. Thank you, ma'am.
यस सिट डाउन, थैंक यू बेटा। नेक्स्ट मयंक, यस थैंक यू कृतज्ञ, मयंक,
Ma'am, can I?
ये अमृता, अमृता अप्रतिम, अमृता अप्रतिम, यस नव्या, नव्या नव्या स्टार्ट।
My name is Navya Sena, class 3, section E, roll number 7, admission number 23388. Today I am talk to my aim of life. Every person has a aim of life. A aimless man is like an animal. My aim of life is to become a teacher. A teacher is a noble profession by which you can show the right path to the children in your country. A children is the future of a country. By giving a right education, you fulfill the dreams of the children. I will provide a free education in my neighborhood. This way I serve the nation. I will learn qualities of a good teacher. To
Good. Good. Sit down, beta. Next. Next. Yes, beta. Carry on. Amrita. Yes, Amrita. Start, beta. Yes.
Some persons do not plan their careers. I want to become a doctor. I want to become a doctor. I have an excellent memory, problem solving abilities, and excel in a science subject. Therefore, I decided to become a doctor. My nation is desperate need of my medical facilities. I have my license for medical. I admire the medical profession. It means it means it means citizen service to humanity, help to the needy, and love to humanity. To serve people is to serve God. I will regard it as my responsibility to serve my motherland. I shall start practice in my city. Treatment will be free for needy persons. I shall never see anyone. I shall be present about the test and treatment of my patients. I shall visit village at regular intervals. Health facilities are in higher demand in rural areas. As a doctor, my slogan will be service before self. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, beta. Thank you, Amrita. Sit down. Yes, next. Next. Avinash. Divyansh Prakash. Avinash, Divyansh Prakash. Avinash, Divyansh Prakash. Siran. Yes, Avinash, Divyansh Prakash. Siran. Yes.